Hello everyone, welcome to incredible platform of Mr. Aspirant.AAJ Complete Strategy and Roadmap for JEE 2027. This video covers physics, chemistry, and mathematics, along with Class 11, Class 12, revision, and mock strategy. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक करें and channel पर नए हो तो channel को subscribe कर लेना please. In this video, you will learn the complete JEE 2027 roadmap. This includes the big picture, a subject-wise plan, the month-by-month roadmap, daily study routines, resource selection, mock test strategy, revision tactics, and maintaining mindset and motivation. Let's look at the big picture for JEE 2027. You have around 700 days to master 3 subjects and over 30 high-weightage chapters to aim for a maximum score of 300 in JEE Mains. For physics, focus on the highest scoring and most concept-heavy subjects. Tier 1 includes mechanics, electrostatics, current electricity, modern physics, and optics, making up 40 to 45% of the weightage. Master these first for guaranteed questions. Chemistry is the easiest subject to score high if you plan right. Physical chemistry, organic chemistry, and inorganic chemistry each carry significant weightage. Remember to understand organic reaction mechanisms and depend heavily on NCERT for inorganic topics. Mathematics is the differentiator subject. Focus on calculus, coordinate geometry, and algebra, which form the bulk of the paper. Also, include vectors, 3D geometry, probability, and statistics for fast, easy marks. The month-by-month roadmap is divided into 3 phases. Phase 1 is the Class 11 foundation, followed by the Class 12 build and 11th revision in Phase 2, culminating in the full revision and mock grind in Phase 3. Phase 1 focuses on building a strong foundation in Class 11 concepts from June to March. Physics covers topics like kinematics and laws of motion. Chemistry involves mole concept and atomic structure. Math starts with sets, relations, quadratics, and trig basics. Phase 2, from April to January, focuses on Class 12 topics while revising Class 11 concepts. The plan includes electric field in physics, solid state in chemistry, and matrices in math. Increase your mock frequency during this phase. Phase 3 is the final revision and mock grind. It's time for full syllabus revision, main simulation, and advanced prep. The final 2 weeks should be for rapid consolidation, focusing only on formula sheets and short notes. Here is the ideal daily study timetable. Start with the hardest topic in the morning, followed by theory and PYQ practice. Dedicate a segment for mocks or timed problem sets, and finish the day with error log review and formula revision. Focus on quality over quantity for resources. For physics, use HC Verma and DC Pandey. Chemistry relies heavily on NCERT. Mathematics benefits from RD Sharma and Cengage series. Remember to thoroughly practice the resources you choose. PYQs are your most important habit. Start solving them from day 1 after each chapter. Mains PYQs should be covered topic-wise first, while advanced PYQs should focus on multi-concept problems. To actually improve, analyze your mocks carefully. During the mock, simulate exam conditions and prioritize sections strategically. After the mock, maintain an error log, analyze time taken, and resolve wrong questions after a few days. Track your progress with mock score targets. Aim for 60 to 80 points mid-phase 1 and gradually increase your score to 150 to 180 by the end of phase 2. The final goal is peak performance of 220 to 260 plus to target the 99 plus percentile in mains. These revision tactics are essential for retaining information. Use spaced repetition by reviewing topics on day 1, 3, 7, 21, and 60. Employ active recall, forcing yourself to retrieve information without rereading notes. This is more effective for long-term memory. Develop a master formula sheet for each subject and review it every night. Maintaining a mistake notebook is non-negotiable. Write down every wrong answer, the concept involved, and the correct approach. Also, practice weekly rapid revision and the teach-to-learn technique to solidify concepts. Let's explore what JEE toppers do differently. They focus on 6 to 8 hours of quality study, not 16 hours. They stick to a maximum of 2 to 3 books per subject for deep learning and finish what they start. Quality over quantity is key. Toppers strategically skip hard problems during the exam and return later, prioritizing time over ego. They spend more time on weak areas to turn them into strengths. They build formula sheets gradually, making formulas automatic by exam time. Mindset, stress management, and mental health are crucial. Cultivate a growth mindset by embracing struggle. Remember that intelligence is not fixed. Treat a bad mock score as data for analysis, not destiny. Bounce back fast. Sleep is non-negotiable. Aim for 7 to 8 hours nightly to consolidate learning. Your phone can be enemy number one. Keep it away during study time and use app timers to curb social media use. Remember, the pain of discipline is temporary, but the pain of regret is permanent. Prioritize high-weightage chapters first, based on 10 years of analysis. For physics, concentrate on 5-star topics like kinematics, laws of motion, WEP, rotation, and modern physics for guaranteed questions. In chemistry, master mole concept, equilibrium, GOC, and chemical bonding. For math, ensure full mastery of calculus, coordinate geometry, complex numbers, and matrices. Focus on these highest-rated topics before moving to 4-star chapter. For the JEE Mains exam day, use the first 5 minutes to scan all 90 questions, marking them as easy, medium, or hard. Spend the first 55 minutes on easy questions across all 3 subjects to build momentum, aiming for 40 to 45 questions done. Minutes 60 to 130 are for medium questions. Skip if stuck for over 3 minutes. Dedicate 130 to 165 minutes to hard questions only if you're confident. The final 15 minutes are for reviewing uncertain MCQs. Trust your first instinct on 50 to 50 guesses. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी को तो लाइक जरूर करना एंड आगे किस टॉपिक पे वीडियो बनानी है उसे कमेंट कर देना एंड चैनल पर नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।